Hey everybody, thanks for watching Clyde's Cache. Today we're at Cook Park in Tualatin and we're gonna go kayaking on the Tualatin River. And we know of a special spot where the river goes up next to a golf course and you can find tons of golf balls in the water. And then maybe we'll have a golf ball stand and you guys can come buy golf balls from us. All right. Oh, here's one. Right here.
This one looks like it was recent.
Yeah.
Holy, it really was recent. There's one right there and there's two right there.
Oh, yeah. You. Let's see.
These ones were also this one was also kind of recent.
Yeah, it is.
Right now.
Look, you see it?
Oh, that's a dirty one.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh, I see 4 more over there.
Oh, what? Look at all those.
There's 2 right here. Oh, this one even has a snail on it. It's like stuck in a root.
I wonder how long that's been under.
Not long.
We're not even to the spot where it's next to the golf course,
Oh, I
and
see 2. Oh no, that's
we're already finding tons of golf balls. Found one just in the side of the river. Whoa!
What?
This one's got like cool American flag on it. Oh, there's a golf ball in there.
Where?
2 golf balls.
I see another one by her kayak, but it's really deep.
Whoa, there's a big tadpole right here.